I got 10.
Can we owe you 5,000
Yeah.
one day, man? Untuk 2 sepeda motor. Okay. Thank you.
I have no idea where I'm going either.
We're fucked as well.
We've got no date. Telkomsel that we usually use.
Where are you going?
I'm trying to use my Google Maps, but it thinks I'm on the main highway, so it keeps telling me I'm going to.
Do you have reception though? Because we don't have. Our Telkomsel's not giving us the ability to get on the internet, so we're totally screwed today.
Yeah.
Normally we'd be using exactly what you're using. So
I'm trying to go to whatever the name is this. It's Pantai.
Pantai Tegal Wangi.
Yeah.
Is it? We're not sure. It's really hard because the GPS not working.
his is.
Oh, yours working.
It's working, but
Okay.
it thinks I'm on.
Can I see that?
Yeah, yeah. Like it doesn't say, like on splits like this, it doesn't say to
Yeah, I know.
stay right or left.
It's totally impossible. I mean,
Which way is south? Is it south?
I don't know.
Because that's what it keeps saying. It says
Yeah, hang on.
it doesn't say right or left. It just says
Yeah.
south, west,
Sorry,
east.
can you show me again where you want to go?
Yeah. See, it keeps
Yeah,
going
because
crazy.
the connection is not stable.
I'm saying that way.
Oh god.
And one of us needs to go straight and then
Straight. I don't see any straights there, but anyway.
I mean, keep going.
Yeah.
this way.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
so at the very end we'll see that superstition. We turn to the left.
Superstition. I see a superstition. Jesus Christ.
Oh my God.
No, seriously. No, seriously. I'm going in there.
Intersection. Intersection.
I'm just gonna swim.
Guys.
I'm gonna get a kayak and just.
All right, you ready?
All right.
Okay, you ready? Okay, here we go.